A sellout crowd has descended on Rosemont, Illinois to see the top two teams battle for first place in the National Pro Fast Pitch Softball League. Monica Abbott and Amber Patton play for the home team. Why are people so attracted to the Chicago Bandits?
I think that what we put on the field, how we play and how we carry ourselves, it's really pure.
So what do you mean by pure?
We play softball with a childlike love for the game, and that's a pureness that only a 12-year-old knows.
I think when I grow up, I want to be just like them.
It's a sharp contrast to the shadow cast on professional baseball from the recent drug-related suspensions of some of the game's brightest stars.
It is very unfortunate to see what's happened in baseball.
Jenny Finch played in the Women's Professional League until 2010 and won a gold medal with the U.S. Olympic team in 2004.
My husband's a baseball player. I have 2 boys along with a daughter, and it concerns me as a parent, finding out of all these scandals that are going on in professional sport.
No female softball player on the international level has ever tested positive for banned substances.
All of us have jobs outside of this 3-month season, and I think that unfortunately when the big money gets into that and it is their job that tempts them, we're trying to create a great image and see this thing really take off so that one day those young girls can do this for a living.
The 4-team league has struggled since its start in 1997, but the line for autographs still stretches around the stadium.
They're just so amazing, and they've worked so hard to get here, and it's just incredible.
They'll sign each one, hoping to inspire the next generation of athletes to play the game the right way. Danielle Nottingham, CBS News, Rosemont, Illinois.